Hello fine babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominica, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are welcome. We do custom made wigs and we also love some fashion and beauty content, so if that's why you're here, you are most definitely welcome. And thank you to all the fine babes that keeps watching our video. You have a special place in our heart. I see you. Okay, now for the show, we're doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me again. As I told you from our previous video, it's going to be a series where we wear and showcase our wigs and show you different ways we style them and the kind of outfit that we put together with the wigs we have. And yeah, check the wig down in the description below, all the specs, and you have a special discount code for this month of June 24. Without further ado, let's head straight into the video. Love my braids. I just got them done. I tried the, how is it called? Braided baldy braided braids, something like that. But this is cute. Let me know in the comment section. Anyways, we are going to try Fenty Beauty for our very first time. Okay, now I have had the lipstick, and that is just of recent, this year. I tried so the first one I ever got was this one, Fenty Beauty Velvet Liquid Lipstick. That's the first one I ever got from Fenty, and this is actually, no, I got that last year. I got that one last year. And then the next one I got was the Hot Chocolate Heat Gloss Bomb. That one I got this year. And now the famous of all time is the Fuchsia Flex Gloss Bomb. This is chef's love it. But this video we are going to be trying her. I've never bought anything from Fenty, so this is new to me. Went to Sephora and spent $171 on this product, and yeah, so let's give it a try and see what this is all about. What I'm actually really curious to try is the foundation. Now let's get into it. So we do have the Fenty Beauty Soft Lift Natural Luminous Long Wear Foundation, and I'm in the shade, I took the shade 430, so we're gonna try, and this cost $40. Next, I wanted to try the concealer, and I got the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 380, and this is $30. Now I got the Fenty Matte Contour Skin Stick Match Stick. You know, I got it in the shade Ebony, and this was $32. I got the Pro Filter Mattifying Primer, and I got this primer is the mini version. I got it for $20. And last but not the least, I got the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got it in the shade Banana, and this was $36. Okay, so in total $171.43. That's including tax. So, and oh, I do have her Fenty Beauty Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in soft black. Now I've used this before, actually. And I like it. Will I buy it again? Probably not, but it's good. I don't know how much it is. I'm going to put it in the screen how much it is, but let's go ahead and start off with the primer. So the primer is set to shine stopping pro diffusing finish extended makeup wear, and this is how it looks like. Let's apply her.
Then I wanna be the object of your affection.
It feels like a lotion, honestly, like a light velvety kind of lotion. It has a velvet finish to it. So yeah, that's that on that. Nothing crazy. Let's head over with our eyebrows.
Wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew.
I love me a fresh, good looking brows because it's so easy to do your eyebrows when they're freshly done.
Mad that I didn't take a step at it. Thought you were too good for me, my dear.
Okay, so let's talk about this. So we are trying the Fenty Beauty Soft Lift Natural Luminous Longwear Foundation. It is set to be longwear. It has a medium coverage, delivers a golden hour glow all day. It's lightweight, waterproof formula set to hydrate, brighten, and improve your skin tone. And it is sweat, humidity, and transfer proof, and it will give you that bright luminous color through pigment and stay fresh all day. It comes in 50 shades, and I am presently trying on the shade 430. Here is the foundation. I don't know, do you think I should go a shade down? I think it's too red, too yellow, I don't know. I mean, it's alright. I'll give it. It really did cover up. It really did cover up. So now I'm going to be trying the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and I'm in the shade 380.
Hey, let's fuck in the back.
While this is drying up, I'm going to try. Sorry. While this is drying up, I'm going to apply the contour stick, match stick in Ebony. I actually like the contour stick though. It's good. It's good.
'Cause I'm right somewhere you fall in love with me.
Now, I think we can go ahead and blend the concealer. And I'm using a clean, always a clean, damp beauty blender every time. Remember in my last video I told you after you blend your concealer, you take your foundation brush, there is nothing on it, and you just blend the hash lines, everything together. I love this concealer. Look at this. So this is how it looks so far. I did apply blush. I didn't show it because it's not from Fenty. And then I set my under eyes. Now we're going to go ahead and bake. And we're using, as I said earlier on, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Touch Setting Powder in the shade Banana. And I always bake because I'm very oily. So this is how she looks like. I thought she comes in a puff, but I'm wrong. Anyways, that's fine. Bake everywhere we apply. It's said to give you very bright under eyes, so let's see if that's actually going to be the case. Here is the finished look of the base. What do you guys think? I am loving it. It is chef kiss, very beautiful. Now to top off this lip combo I have right here, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Hit in Hot Chocolate. And this is how she looks like. Alright, so moving to the wig side, let's install our wig. But before we install our wig, let me tell you about the wig, okay? The wig that we are slaying today. So this part of the video is sponsored by Wiglistic D. Don't mind me, I'm speaking it into existence for all the future sponsorship we're going to be having in this channel. Let's say amen. Amen. Anyways, here is our latest wig release. The hair comes in this beautiful package because every woman deserves to feel beautiful and confident. I love that for us. But anyways, you will also get a thank you card with a special discount code and an HD wig cap when you order any wig purchase from us, okay? Now the specs of this wig. This wig is going to come in a satin bag, all right? Pre-styled for you. She is a 2x6 straight wig, and on our website she's called Sexy. Just look at her, isn't she sexy? All the wigs are machine sewn for durability. With proper care, they're gonna last forever. She comes in the length from 20 to 30 inches with a matching 2x6 HD closure. The lace is already going to be bleached with a pre-plucked hairline and an adjustable elastic band for a snug, glueless install. Now, we're in a new month. Happy new month. So you're going to use a code June24 to get 10% off any wig purchase, or this wig particularly that I'm slaying, on our website. Now, let's get into this. Perfect. So, you know, with us, you can either wear a wig cap or you don't wear a wig cap. Doesn't really matter. I particularly love to wear wig caps, and you know, we're in an era where we're using the HD wig cap. So I know some people still use black wig cap. Please put that in the bin, okay? Why is this? So here is your HD wig cap, okay? There you go. And always have your hair braided down or slicked back, whichever one, to make sure your wig install is not like bulging looking wiggy. You know, we're here to slay, but also to make it look as natural as possible, okay? Let's cut our lace. I know you've seen me several times on this channel cutting my lace, so this is not new for you. I'm using the scissors. Always take your time.
Hold on, speed it up.
I'm going to use our all-time Ruby Kisses foundation in the shade 16. I'm going to secure it a little bit further, and I'm going to be using Erica J Super Melted Grip.
Hold on.
I can use a blow dryer, but I don't have my blow dryer close by. I'm gonna use this fan and always I tie it down with my take this out.
Once I fucking good, I got you. In your feelings, lucky birds ain't go, I got you. Got you dripping, I can listen for accountants. Counting digits, nourishing the riches. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. This trip got you in heat. Just jumping, baby girl, hop on these knees.
Need to come give me that dick. He wanna hit from the back cause I'm thick. I like to fuck on him when I get lit. Yeah, tell me this pussy is shit. Ayy, oh, he's so thirsty. Ride that dick like a horse. See, he said, are you tired? Let's have a sex talk, huh? Wanna see your body take your clothes off, huh? I'ma buzz quick if your lips off, huh? Rock that shit till you blast off, ayy. Yeah, huh? Got a big boy, then pull it out, hey. Can you make it feel like the first time, huh? I don't get tired, let him wet out, ayy. Yeah, my feet up on the bed, ride it to the tip top.
I can't stop playing with my hair. It is like perfect, silky soft, like. And oh, before I forget, you can actually wear this wig. You can add some coils or you can crimp it like this video right here. Like you can style it a different way and straighten it right back and it goes to bone straight. And I do have a tutorial on my channel too that shows you how to get your wig bone straight. Anyways, let us know in the comment section what kind of hair tutorial you would love from us. We would greatly appreciate it. And if you're still watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment your favorite, and let's head straight into the outfit after that.
You blast off, ayy, yeah, huh? Got a big boy, then pull it out, ayy. Can you make it feel like the first time, huh? I don't get tired, let him wear that, ayy. Yeah, bad bitch tastes like cherry, kiwi, real big titties, these double DDs, ice on my neck, beat real.
Alright, fine babes, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Thank you so much for the love. We appreciate it, and we are on our way to 1,000 fine babes. So please hit that subscribe button and join the fine babes community, okay? Because we're here to look beautiful and confident is our motto. We stand by it and we move by it, okay? But anyways, share this video to any loved one that is looking for a style inspo on their straight wig, or how they want to be looking and feeling this summer 2024. Send them this video. We're here. And honestly, I love the Fenty product. It holds everything. It's looking great. You tell me in the comment section below and let us know what other videos you would love to see from us. And thank you. Bye.
Thought she could catch up. I got my foot on their necks, I can't let up. She all on the floor, so I got up. She my son, but I ain't her mammy.